wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First of all, let's say thanks to God Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, because of His blessing and mercy we can attend meeting Zoom today. And the next salawat and salam to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Honorable Mrs. Sri Mailena SPD MPD as a lecturer in Education Research Course 2, and my beloved friend, good morning. Welcome to Nila's Octavia Proposal Seminar. Okay, on this occasion, we will present a seminar proposal from Nila Octavia with the title Application of Realistic Mathematics Approach to Improve Understanding of Multiplication Concept of Integers in 4th grade students at SDN 16 Puncak Lawang. Alright, let's look at the appearance of Nila Octavia proposal. Nila, please welcome.
Okay, thank you to moderator. I will explain my proposal about application of realistic mathematics approach to improve understanding of multiplication concept of the integer in the first grade student at SDN 16 Puncak Lawang. Next slide, please. Chapter 1, Introduction. Next slide. The first is background. Mathematics is one of the subjects that plays an important role in education. This math subject is studied by all students from elementary school to college. By studying mathematics, we can also learn to listen critically, creatively, and actively, which is something that a person needs to solve various problems. Learning mathematics serves to develop the ability to calculate, derive formulas, and use mathematical formulas in everyday life. According to ANISA 2015, Fact 15, mathematics is a deductive science that uses a symbolic language and in abstract. Mathematics learning activities are activities that require high concentration. This is what makes many students think that learning mathematics is a difficult subject. Although mathematics is a science that is considered difficult, it must be learned by everyone because it's a tool related to everyday life. One of the learning skills needed by the student to improve the quality of learning, especially learning mathematics, is understanding concept. Concept understanding means the ability to explain the interrelationship between concepts to apply concept efficiently, accurately, and precisely in the solving problems. Understanding concept in mathematics learning is very necessary for students because it will be related to further learning. In mathematics learning, it's very necessary for students because it will be related to further learning. Understanding of mathematical concept is also need to solve mathematical problem and problem in everyday life. According to Fahruddin 2018, understanding mathematical concept is related to ways to understand mathematical ideas thoroughly and functionally. Without mastering the competence of understanding of the concept of a material being studied, students will find it difficult to master of the mathematical competency, including communication, reasoning, and problem solving. A student who is asked to solve a mathematical problem, if he is not strong enough to understand the mathematical concept, he has, of course, he will find it difficult to solve the problem. This what can certainly create a perceptive in student that mathematics is a difficult science. Next slide, please. Problem that arise related to understanding mathematical concept are the number of the students who do not understand the concept that had been studied. This is also often even happens if the learning mathematics, including to understanding the concept of multiplication of integers. It can be seen that we students are given several questions about the concept of multiplication. They will be confused if it doing it. For example, when students are given two multiplication 3, question that will be answered is result is 6. because they think that multiplication is the same as addition. Therefore, we teacher must be able to instill the concept back to the student that multiplication is a repeated addition. If 2 multiplication 3 means we have to add 2 3 times, then we get the result is 6. This can happen due to several reasons, including because the teacher lacks the ability to convey the concept of multiplication the numbers during learning. Another reason that can cause this problem is the lack of self-motivation in learning because the teaching and the learning process in considered by student is very boring. As previously explained, understanding concept is mathematics will be related to the subsequent learning, so that when student learning, he has not instilled the concept of the material being taught. It will be continue of the next learning. We can see in this when student learn KPK of FPB material, but they do not understand the concept of multiplication, they will be, of course, have a very difficult time learning. The way it can be said of multi the way it can be said that the understanding of the student concept during the learning multiplication of integrate is the less meaningful. Lack of the understanding of this concept will affect subsequent learning. The next slide, please. The next slide, please. The solution that we can do to overcome this problem is to provide an understanding of the concept of multiplication of integers back to student. One way to provide conceptual understanding to student is to use realistic approach. The realistic approach is the approach that connects mathematical concept with the everyday experience. By using this approach, it is how the student will become more familiar with the concept of multiplication of integers. Based on the description that has been explained, the authors are interested in analyzing deeper understanding of student mathematical concept. After online learning is carried out to answer the problem, the researcher conducted the study entitled application of the realistic mathematics approach to improve understanding of multiplication concept of the integer in the fourth grade student at STN 16 Puncak Lawang. The next slide, please. The next is problem identification. Based on the background, the problem that has been described, the identification of the problem the researchers found are as follows. The first is lack of the teacher ability to delivering mathematical concept, especially regarding multiplication of the integers during learning. The next is the lack of the student motivation when learning. This can be caused because the learning delivered by the teacher is boring. The third is when the learning takes place, the teacher only impasses the formula to the student without the paying attention the whether the student understand what is formula or not. The fourth is students are only given a lot of question or homework and are asked to do it without being explained about the material being taught by teacher. The last is most student learning outcomes, especially regarding multiplication of integers, are still low below the KKM. The next is result benefit. This result is expected to provide benefits, namely, the first is theoretical benefits. The result is expected to be the result of the future result. The second is practice benefits. Result to determine student understanding the mathematical concept, especially regarding integrals, provide the following benefit. For teacher, the result is this study can be used of future or study material for relevant research and study material toward develop teacher teaching competency in the teaching and learning process in the classroom so that teacher can improve their qualification as a form of effort to increase professionalism and can foster the conductive and active learning atmosphere between teacher and student. For school, by knowing to understanding of this student is expected to be an improvement in the learning and not only in the learning mathematics but in other learning. for students to improve student understanding of the concept of multiplication of the integers and academic benefits. Adding insight the provision of the learning if you are going to enter the world of education as a very useful provision to expand knowledge. The next problem limitation. Based on the background of the problem, the limitation that have researcher has the research limits the problem in the application of a realistic approach to improve understanding of mathematical concept, especially regarding multiplication of integer in mathematics learning about multiplication of the integer in the fourth grade studied at SDN 16 Puncak Lawang. Problem formulation. Based on the background of the executive problem, the formulation of the problem in this study are the first is how to implementation the learning or to improve student understanding of concept in learning multiplication of integer for class for student at SDN 16 Puncak Lawang. The second is how is the application of realistic approach to effort the improve student understanding of the concept in learning multiplication to integers in the grade 4 studied at SDN 16 Puncak Lawang. The next is research objective. Based on the formulation of the problem that has been described, the objective to be achieved in this study are the first is to find out the implementation of the learning to improve student understanding of the concept in the learning multiplication of integers of the grade 4 studied at SDN 16 Puncak Lawang. And the last is to find out the application of the realistic approach to effort the improve student understanding of the concept in the learning multiplication of the integers in the fourth student at SDN 16 Puncak Lawang. Okay, next is chapter 3, research methods. Research setting. The first is research place. This research was conducted at SDN 16 Puncak Lawang. There are several supporting factors and consideration for research to choose this school, namely, the first is in the implementation of the mathematics learning, especially regarding the concept of multiplication of integers. Teachers still use learning strategies that are less able to instill this concept in the student. And the second reason is the teacher in this school are willing to accept educational innovation, especially regarding the mathematics learning process. The next is research subject. The subject of this study were fourth grade students at SDN 16 Puncak Lawang in the 2021 or 2022 academic year. This subject was chosen because the follow on the learning mathematics, especially regarding the material or multiplication of integers in the grade 4 is still relatively low. Students do not understand the concept that have been taught by the teacher compared to other class students. Research design. The first is approach and type of research. A research approach. This research generally use a qualitative approach and is supported by a quantitative approach because the data of time in this study is not only qualitative data, but also quantitative data derived from data on the test score of student learning outcomes. The qualitative research method is carried out intensively. Researchers participate in the field for a long time. Take careful note of what happened, conduct a relative analysis of various documents found in the field in detail. The research was carried out by observing by the application of realistic approach to mathematics for fourth grade studied at SDN 16 Puncak Lawang. This also use a quantitative approach because it also uses data on the test score of fourth grade students at SDN 16 Puncak Lawang because this study also wants to know how student learning outcomes are. This is according with opinion of Sugiono 2012 page 23. which state the quantitative method are usually used when we want to know the effect of certain treatment on others. Next is research type. The type of research carried out in the research is classroom action research, which aim to change the current condition to what is expected condition. This research is concerned with the informant of learning outcome in mathematics learnings, especially regarding the multiplication of integers using a mathematical realistic approach. With this approach, it is hoped that it will make it easier for students in instill to concept mathematics so that students become active during the learning active carried out. So with this approach, by linking learning in everyday life, students will understanding the concept of multiplication better. This research was carried out of collaborative, meaning that each study, the research and the teacher collaborated science contemplation to solve planning problem, action, observation, and reflection. This is according with the study by Barnes in Kusnandar 2012, page 14. Classroom action research is the application of finding fact the problem solving in the social situation with a view to improving the quality of the action taken in it, which result is collaboration of researchers, practically and common people. Classroom action research is research active or carried out in the classroom in the aim of solving a learning problem encountered by teachers to develop the most effective and efficient learning strategies to improve the quality learning, improve learning outcomes, and improve the quality of learning and improve learning outcome. It is carried out collaboratively and also carried out in the several cycle. The next is result flow. Broadly speaking, there are four steps to follow in this result, namely the planning, implementation, observation, and reflection step. This result was conducted in two cycles, namely the first and the second cycle. Cycle 1 has 2 meetings and cycle 2 has 1 meeting. In each moment, the research observed the activities of student during the learning process, which has for a sig multiplication 35 minutes in the each cycle. A test learning outcome was carried out. The next is result procedure. The first is planning step. In accordance with the formulation of the problem that has been determined, the result makes its action plan related to the material of social problem in the area. This activity begins from formulating an action plan in the form of the learning implementation plan, namely with the following activities. The first is develop an action plan in the form of learning implementation plan, including formulation indicator, setting learning objective, select and assign material, arrange learning activities, selecting and assigning learning media and research, compile evaluation, design evaluation tools, prepare RPP observation sheets for observing student activities and teacher activities during learning. B. Action implementation step. This action implementation step is carried out in the two cycle. The focus in action is each cycle is the application of the learning using a realistic approach according to step. And the third is observation step. The things that will be observed in the learning mathematical multiplication and the integral operation in the class for SDN 16 Puncak Lawang using a realistic learning approach are seen from the teachers and student aspect. The next slide, please. The next is reflection step. This reflection is done at the end the action and the observation is complete. Reflection is defined as an attempt to examine what happened or that has been produced is not or has not been complete in the previous step as a consideration for taking the next action. Reflection is held every time in action ends. The next is data and data sort. The first is result data. The data in this study are qualitative and quantitative data. Qualitative data obtained from the implementation plan of learning and teaching a learning process carried out by the teacher, and quantitative data obtained from the study learning outcome from the extent with the student can understand social problem in the environment. The next is data source. The plan research data source or learning implementation plans and learning outcome of integral multiplication operation mathematics with the application of realistic learning approach in SDN 4 or SDN 16 Puncak Lawang, which include learning planning, learning implementation consisting of initial activities, core activities, and final activities. Activities evaluation of implementation consisting of initial activities, core activities, and final activities, activities evaluation of learning, activities teacher and student during teaching and learning activities. Data were obtained from the research subject, namely teacher and fourth grade student at SDN 16 Puncak Lawang. The next is data collection technique and research instrument. The first is data collection technique. Data collection is the process of obtaining informed data stored in the study method used are. The first is observation methods. The observation technique is used to observe and record directly and activities in the process of implementing the learning process in the classroom using a realistic mathematics approach in the fourth grade mathematics subject at SDN 16 Puncak Lawang. The second is concept understanding test. The element that become the object of observation when they occur in the learning process are marked by giving the checklist and the column on the observation sheet. Here, the researcher acts as a practitioner who carries out in activities that are in the planning, and the classroom teacher acts and observe, namely as the observe who is outside the activity but is still the research setting. And the next is documentation. Documentation aims to provide data of reference assistant. The required documentation can be in the form of written data in the form of the teacher diary made by the teacher when the learning has been complete. In the school vision and mission, the number of students, the school profile, and the number of teachers and staff in the school, as well as teaching and learning activities that have been carried out a concrete evidence. And the next is research instrument. The first is test question. This instrument used in the study in the form of written test, which serve to determine the increase in the student understanding of the operation of multiplying integrals. The type of the question used in this result are in the form of multiple choice of question and exercise with the consist of 7 questions. The second is observation sheet. Observation instrument in this study were used to measure teacher skill and student activity. The observation sheet can be in the form of the teacher observation sheet, student observation sheet. And the third is documentation. The documentation instrument used to find out the activities and the student learning outcome from existing data can be in the form of videos or picture. In this instrument is used to find out the activities and learning outcome of students. And the last is data analysis. The data obtained in the study were analyzed using qualitative and quantitative data analysis. Qualitative data analysis is data analysis with reflection science data collection until all data is collected, and quantitative analysis technique related to student learning outcome in the form of number. Okay, thank you. That's all from me. I give it back to moderator.
Thank you to Nila who have presented their proposal seminar. The next session is a session to provide comments by contributor 1 and contributor 2. First comment by contributor 1 to Devi Rusdiani, time is yours.
Okay, thanks to moderator. I'm Devi Rusdiani as contributor 1. I will give comment to Nila seminar proposal. Overall, Nila's proposal is good and complete, but there are some things that need to be done and improved again. For the first, on the background, Nila only cites 2 expert opinions to support the problem, namely in paragraph 2 and 4. It would be better if the theory about the problem in the background was supported by many expert opinions to make it stronger and more convincing. Then the theoretical study is good and complete and has also led from the general to the specific. And then the research instrument that we use our test and observation sheets. It will be better if it were attached in the proposal. Okay, that's all from me. I give it back to moderator.
Thank you, Devi. Next comment by contributor 2 to Helda Setia Amanda, time is yours.
Okay, thanks to moderator. I will. Okay, overall, Nila's proposal is good and follows the correct writing rules, but there are something that need to be fixed and improved again. First, in Nila proposal, there is no page number, and in chapter 3, there are also some typos. For example, Nila wrote Sugiono, even though the real name. Please pay attention again to the inaccuracy of writing work. That's all from me. Thank you. I give it back to the moderator.
Thank you, Helda. Okay, that's all seminar proposal from Nila Octavia. Thank you for your attention and sorry for my mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.